Okay. Hello students. Hi. So our last video regarding the prediction tool for your rank got an overwhelming response. So that's the reason I thought, yes, I should create a tool which will help you out to identify which college you can get according to the cutoff. So that would also be more accepted because many people were putting this comment, and answering each and every individual comment would become a tedious process. Instead, I thought, okay, let us create a tool which will help anyone who is coming to this platform to check it out in an instant click. Okay, so in this, I'm just going to show you how this tool will work and how you can utilize it. And also I have given an option to download it as an Excel file so that you can put which is your first preference, second preference, and go on like that. Absolutely free. I have just done it. In case the last video also had asked, in case somebody is willing to learn it or wants to learn it, how to do it and everything, just put down a comment. And as I said in the last video, if I get 1000 likes, I will do it. As of now, it is sitting somewhere around 350 likes. Increase that over to 1000, I will surely get you that video regarding this, how to create that particular tool. And coming to some more certain questions which you had asked, sir, if I am in this range, if I get a certain percentile, will I get rank? And some questions were like, so this year the cutoff has been shifted from 50 to 60. Many people are accumulated around the 60 mark. Should it be, so will it be high, will it be low? Answer for everything will come shortly whenever the results are out. Until that, just stay calm and just focus on building your skill sets, and that would be playing a very big role in your career. These things are just minor things which are just going to come and go. That's it, right? But your long term, when you're focusing on your career, start focusing on any particular skill set that you like, or the stream which you're going to choose. According to that, start implementing and learning. Okay, having said this, now I'll take you right away to the tool what I have created, and I'll show you how to use it and what you can do it and how to benefit out of it also. I will show you. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, this link I will be putting down in the Telegram group. You can go back and check the Telegram group for this particular link available over there. This will take you to this particular page of this MBA MCA college predictor. Okay, this is the post which I had posted before 2 days, and I was really surprised to get some responses on that. I did not expect it, but still, okay, anyways. So here I have just given a step-by-step process how you need to select a college and everything. You can go through it. It's a good article which I have prepared. Just go through it, and according to that, you choose a college. Don't randomly pick some college, whatever you like. Every college is good in its own aspect, but be very specific on how you're performing and how you're choosing your college. Now, if you come down, I have put a link called as MBA College Predictor, MCA College Predictor. Click on this particular link. It will take you to this particular page. Okay. So in this page, example, if you got a rank around somewhere, say around like 34, okay, this is your rank, and you're in general merit category, you want to know whether you'll get a seat in RV. Okay, example I'm taking. Choose your category over here. I have put all the categories available, and specifically you are looking in a particular city. So I am more concerned about Bangalore, so just put it Bangalore. Find the colleges over here. So the list of colleges are available, along with, you just scroll to the right, just see the cutoff rank what was applicable for last year. All these cutoff are as per last year. I have prepared this entire sheet, rank sheet, according to last year. It will be in the ascending order. So the last rank which got filled in RV last year for the general merit for MBA was 93. So until this rank, you are having the eligibility, or there is a possibility of getting a seat over there. The same way, second is PES, BMS, Dayanand Ramaya, Bangalore Institute, and everything comes in the order. In case specifically if you are looking for a college, check it out what is the cutoff, and according to that you can decide. Again, I'll give a second example. For example, your rank is around somewhere around 3343 or like 34. Just click on the find college right now, and the best option you get is Christ, which is come in Christ Academy Institute for Advanced Studies, and it is around 3640, and all these are according to Bangalore. In case if you're not interested in Bangalore, sir, I want it in Mysore, just click on Mysore and you will get these options over here, which is around Vidya Vardhaka College. It is around 5057 is the last rank which got a seat over here. Last rank, cutoff is nothing but the last rank which got filled by a seat is 5057. So according to that, go according to your city and find it out and choose your colleges. This is for the MBA students. In case if you are for the MCA, similar way I have created a tool for your MCA also. Before that, one last thing I forgot. In case if you want to download this particular sheet, sir, this is my rank, sir, this is my category, sir, this is my city, sir, I want to download it in Excel. Download it as an Excel, it will get downloaded and you can save it, open it, edit it, whatever you want, you can do it. Absolutely free. Okay. The same way, if you go to MCA College Predictor, this also will open up a similar window. In MCA, as I said, the last year also around 15,000 people had written the exam. The last rank was around 15,000 only. So here you just put your rank somewhere around 120. Put the category as 3AG, 3A General, and put as Bangalore. Find the colleges. You'll get all these options available over here. So BMS College, the last rank filled was 131. Sir, I'm very specific about RV, sir. Then you put your rank somewhere around 23. If your rank is around 23, find the colleges. So RV, the last rank filled for 3A was 49. So in this way you can get an option and there won't be any query regarding this. Okay, since you people had a lot of doubts and many people were asking, sir, how do I choose a college, will I get this college for this particular rank? I've given a complete picture for you, and this data whatever I have taken for in order to create this tool is absolutely from the KA website. Whatever they had given for the cutoff and everything, those data only I have accumulated and I have created this tool. It is not like something randomly I have put and given this option. It is an authentic data which is available on the KA website for the cutoff. Keeping that cutoff of last year, I have created this sheet. Hope this sheet and this tool will help you out a lot in your college selection process. In case if you like this video and the tool was really helpful, I would recommend you and I would request you to just put the like over there and subscribe to the channel and keep awaiting for the upcoming videos. Okay, in case if you're having any further queries or anything else, just put down the reason. I'll help you out with the best solution. Take care. Bye bye. See you until next time. Signing off. Lakshmi. Bye.